In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Outlook email not working on iPhone issue, particularly if you're having trouble with Outlook not working on Apple Mail. If you're experiencing this frustrating problem, rest assured I'll guide you through a series of simple yet effective steps to get your emails back on track in no time. First, let's ensure your internet connection is up and running, as a reliable connection is vital for accessing your emails. To do this, check if your iPhone is connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data. A quick way to confirm your connection is by opening Safari and loading any website. If the website loads without a hitch, then your internet connection is working fine. Next, let's move on to restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve any temporary app glitches or syncing issues. Power down your device and turn it back on. This quick reboot could be all that's needed for smoother email operations. Once your phone is back on, you should verify the status of the Outlook servers. Visit the Microsoft Service Status page at portal.office.com/service status. This can help you determine whether there are any server-side issues with Outlook that might be causing your emails to malfunction. If the servers are down, there's not much to do but wait until the issue is resolved on their end. If everything seems fine but your Outlook is still not working, we should try removing and re-adding your Outlook account to your iPhone. Head over to your settings, then navigate to Apps, followed by Mail, and then Accounts. Tap on your Outlook account and select Delete Account. Don't worry, this won't delete your emails, but will merely remove the account settings from your device. Now re-add the account by tapping Add Account, selecting Outlook.com, and signing in again. This can help in refreshing all settings associated with your Outlook emails. Keeping your iPhone up to date can also address a host of issues, including email problems. Go to Settings, tap on General, and then select Software Update. If an update is available, be sure to install it. Featuring the latest iOS ensures that your device has the newest improvements and fixes. Finally, let's ensure background app refresh is enabled. Go back to Settings, proceed to Apps, select Mail, then Accounts, and open Fetch New Data. Make sure that the push option is enabled for Outlook. This allows Outlook to fetch your new emails automatically, keeping you updated in real time. And that wraps up our guide. By following these steps, hopefully you'll resolve any issues with Outlook email not working on your iPhone, ensuring you stay connected and organized. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.